Tired of Jira and Outlook being glued together? Let's break them up and reclaim control of your digital life. First, let's focus on where the magic was happening: integrations. This often occurs through Addins you've installed within Outlook. Open your Microsoft Outlook, look for the Get Addins button, typically found within the Home tab on the ribbon. Click on it. This opens a window where you manage your Addins. Select My Addins, which shows you the Addins currently installed. Search for any Addins related to Jira, like Atlassian for Outlook or similar names. Once you've located the Jira Addin, you need to remove it. You'll see options like remove or uninstall next to the Addins description. Click this button. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm and allow the Addin to uninstall. If you have other integrations or Addins, like Sync, that may send data between platforms, choose Disable. This prevents the Addin from interacting with your Outlook data. Congratulations, you've successfully disentangled your Jira and Outlook. By disabling them, you enhance your digital security and maintain greater control over your project data. Now go forth and manage those tasks on your terms.